Hey folks, I'm Conrad Bitangcol with the RE/MAX River City and the Real Estate Experience team. Come with me and let's go tour a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo located at Oliver Gables in downtown Edmonton. Inside here we have just over 630 square feet of living space. There's 1 bedroom, 1 full bath. One thing you'll definitely notice once you step inside is that it is pristine in here. Every room in here is extremely spacious. You're definitely going to enjoy the updated kitchen with quartz countertops. And this kitchen has all the essentials, including an over-the-range microwave and a dishwasher. And the main bedroom here is incredibly spacious and has his and her closets. You're also going to enjoy the handy in-suite laundry, which features a nifty washer and dryer all in one unit. And if you like to bathe, the 4-piece bathroom has a generous deep soaker. Oh, and let's not forget your own balcony that you'll be able to enjoy in the summer months. And what I love about this property is the location. You're walking distance to almost every single amenity imaginable, like all the shopping and entertainment at the Brewery District, Rogers Arena, and Grant MacEwan, and not to mention Jasper Avenue in downtown Edmonton. And if you don't have a car, you can either walk around or hop on a Lime scooter and tour around Edmonton. But if you do have a car, you also have 1 assigned covered parking stall. So that wraps up today's video tour of this 1-bedroom unit at Oliver Gables. If you'd like more information, I will leave a link in the description. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol with the RE/MAX River City and the Real Estate Experience team. Please take care of yourselves and each other. Till next time. Peace.